My gosh, this is crazy. It got really gray, freezing cold, and now it's hailing or sleet. About 6 o'clock, a little after. Been at it most of the day, cleaning up, dealing with estimators. But I cleared out this center section here. Make like a little table bistro section in there. Did a lot of whacking. I got more cleanup to do here. A couple more branches to clean up and clear this path back open. Oh, look at this. Hailing. And my neighbors are smoking dope over here. But the other news is we got the garage cleaned out, or one side of it, to see if the truck would fit in. By golly, the truck actually fits. Yeah. We cleaned all the shelving off of here. This was just crazy. This guy Frank, man, he has so much junk in there. Look at that. Ow, it's hurting me. Anyway, we swept it out, all the spider webs. But yeah, the truck fits on this left side, which is a 9-foot door. So I guess I'll put the Challenger here. I was thinking to do it here, but there's an actual issue with this room that they closed off. They got the garage door track bolted right to the wall. You can see there's the old section. This used to be a workshop alcove, but they walled it off for a room. And 2 garage door estimator guys came out today, said no can do. They can't get in there to replace that. So what they're going to do is shrink the opening. So going to make it 3 inches narrower. They're going to do 1.5 inches here. I'll add another 1.5 inches, 2x6 here. And they'll add 1.5 inches over here and shrink it in by 3 inches. So it's 8-foot opening now. So it'll be 3 inches less, which means that the Challenger should still go in on that side. I won't be able to get on the right side. Boy, it's really coming down here. But it'd surely get over there. But one of the garage guys said, this was darn, you got this 9-foot door here. And there should be plenty of room. So as a test, I pulled the truck in, which has got to be a little wider, at least as wide as the Challenger. And I hugged over to the right a little bit, not too much. And I got to get out of this snow here. But yeah, look, I could open up the door almost all the way, enough to get in the truck. It's fine. So the door does close. It's a little tight here with the antenna on the truck, my 2-meter 440 ham radio antenna. May have to deal with that, we'll see. But worst case is I'm not going to park the truck in the garage. At least I wasn't planning on it, but if I needed to do work on it, I certainly could. It's the first time this truck's ever been in the garage, so I'm somewhat happy about that. I woke up this morning, I was a little bummed about this garage door situation up there in the corner, all that nonsense up there, but there are options. So I got to make me a custom door on this side. It's going to be expensive. This is 8 foot, that's a 9 foot, so he'll cut this down, make the custom door 2 inches shorter sideways, and we'll make it work somehow. Which means that this will all be workshop area here. So we'll back out in a snowstorm here, sleet, ow, 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 ouch. And so we'll come in here, and this will be workshop area here for me. Maybe workbench up here, cabinets and shelves and stuff here. The breaker box comes out, and the freezer they left. But see, it's deep. See, it goes back quite a bit here. I need better lighting, of course. But you can see, once all this crap is out of here, should be able to build a nice workbench back there on that side, in front of the vehicle, in front of the Challenger. And of course, this is the entry into the house. I'll probably put a nice new fire door there, move that freezer somewhere else, get rid of all this crap. Just old. And yeah, this will be all open workshop space. Man cave, socialization here, you know. So I'm liking that. So this may actually work out a little better than what I had envisioned at first. So there we go. A lot of cleanup today. Made some mess. Pretty happy with the progress, albeit pretty slow. Oh yeah, we cut some more stuff over here. Actually got the path to go through here now. So I think I showed everybody this yesterday, but yeah, I can make a path all the way through here now. And open this up and look, I can actually see the corner of my house, the chimney. Oh man, it's coming down. Oh, it's down my neck. Get these stumps out of here. Probably pull that up, pull the roadies out, and make some sort of little garden area up front. I mean, like a little patio area. We can go out and have coffee in the morning. Talk to the electricians today. They all this stuff's got to come out. That tree's got to come out. They're going to pull the roadies out. They're going to bring a new pipe down on the bottom and trench. They're going to get a trencher, and because I'm going to get a new service panel in the garage, so he's going to have a pipe that comes down there, around in here. All this has to come out, and we'll put a conduit down here around the sidewalk. So what he's going to do is cut probably 4 to 8 inches into the asphalt over here, not the cement, but the asphalt. They'll cut a 4-inch or 8-inch nice trough there. Put that conduit pipe here, and that'll come around to this area here, and it'll come up and go into the house here. And then over here I'll dig out this drywall. And he's going to put a nice 90 amp, well, it'll be a 100 amp panel, but it'll be limited to 90 amps worth of breakers. And then from here I can branch out for other circuits in the garage or the rest of the house. This will be my central panel here for all the add-on stuff, because if I put a shop here out to the road, I'll need to feed that, so I can come out with another pipe out of the breaker box down and under there. Wow, this is coming down. And if I put a hot tub back here, I'll be able to come through the garage here somehow and get 220 out here somewhere for the hot tub, and the heat pump on the other side of the house. So that'll be good. So that's coming. That's going to be an expensive endeavor, but I'm going to have to do that first. Oh boy, look at the snow. Okay, we're 7 minutes into this video. I'm done. I am just done here today. I wanted to work a little longer, but I'm getting hailed out. Unbelievable. Yeah. So yeah, there's the story. I'm happy about that. See you guys later.